Two birds and a bear. Spring is arriving slowly in British Columbia. Streams are flooding as the snow melts in the mountains and forms lasers of falling white water. Buds are swelling, birds arriving, and tourists. The sedge and rushes offers all wildlife rich grazing. And the black bear is one of them. After hibernating through the winter, this is the time to fill out his shining new black coat. It's also the time of mating. An ever so big male has to be attentive approaching a female. The sandhill cranes arrive from their winter quarters in Mexico, and they proudly announces their arrival. They build their nests up on the peat bogs and feed on the shores and estuaries in the vicinity. But the toughest little creature of them all is the rufous hummingbird. A crane is 1,400 times heavier. The rufous is smaller than a thumb, with a weight of 3.5 grams. That's 10 in an ounce. And are found on Vancouver Island through a normal winter. All red attracts them, flowers as well as a shirt button. The rufous hummingbird is truly a living gemstone of the north. It's springtime in British Columbia.